Home isn't your curb appeal. Home isn't your quartz countertops or what interest rate you have on your mortgage. Home isn't your trendy interior or lack thereof. Home is more than how many bedrooms or bathrooms you have, or whether or not the floor plan is an open, modern concept. Home is those 8 miraculous Christmas mornings where the kids exclaimed, "He ate the cookies and drank the milk." Home is the memories you make at Thanksgiving when your parents are still young enough to visit and you're finally old enough to appreciate them. Home is having a backyard all to yourself. Home is where you learn how to throw a football but stayed outside so long you caught a cold. Home is knowing no matter what car you drive, no matter where you take vacations, and no matter how far away the kids and grandkids live, they'll always have a place to come home.